Top 3 Best Apps to Learn Sign Language for Free. Have you ever wished you could break into a new world of communication? One where your hands, face, and body speak just as powerfully as words? Learning sign language opens that door, bringing connection, empathy, and a fresh skill to your life. Nowadays, thanks to mobile apps, you can begin this journey for free, right from your phone. Today, I'm counting down the top 3 best apps to learn sign language for free, how they each help you make real progress, what you should watch out for, and who each one is ideal for. Number 3. ASL Bloom. This app gives you a fun, accessible start in American Sign Language. By offering free lessons that focus on vocabulary, everyday phrases, and simple conversation. The advantage: it's easy to use, designed for beginners, and you don't need any prior background or equipment. You can dive into short lessons and practice consistently without stress. The downside? While the free portion is generous, you'll eventually hit a paywall if you want more advanced levels or deeper grammar. Also, some features may feel simpler compared to apps with full course structure. The ideal user: someone who's curious, wants to start learning sign language casually, and prefers short, manageable sessions without commitment. Number 2. Sign School. This app steps things up by offering a rich free tier with video-based lessons, interactive exercises, a sign of the day feature, and a strong dictionary of signs. The advantage? It gives you flexibility to learn at your own pace and offers a structured path while still keeping the cost barrier at zero for many core features. You'll build your vocabulary, recognize hand shapes and sign patterns, and track your progress. The trade-off: even though many features are free, some advanced modules or full courses may require purchase. Also, because it's largely self-paced, you'll need discipline to keep it going. The ideal user: someone who is serious about giving sign language a consistent go, enjoys interactive learning, and likes to dive into more than just basic phrases. Number 1. The ASL app. Topping our list because it combines authenticity, accessibility, and real-world usage. Created by deaf signers for anyone wanting to learn ASL, this app includes hundreds of video clips of native signers, slow-motion playback, favorite marking of signs, and real day-to-day vocabulary. The big advantage is how natural and usable the learning is. What you learn here, you can apply in actual conversations, not just quizzes. The downside? While there is substantial free content, to unlock the full library, you may need a subscription. Also, as with any language, learning ASL deeply means understanding grammar, facial expressions, and culture, which an app alone can't fully provide. The ideal user: someone who wants to use sign language meaningfully in everyday life, build real skill, and doesn't mind investing their time. So, how should you pick? If you're just dipping your toes and want a zero-stress start, go with ASL Bloom. If you're ready for something more interactive and structured, Sign School is your best middle option. If you're committed to learning sign language with authentic usage and want quality content, the ASL app is your top choice. But here's the important part: apps alone won't make you fluent. Learning sign language means practicing, interacting, understanding context, facial grammar, and real conversations. Use your app as a tool, not the full journey. Set a small goal, say 5 minutes a day, then bump it to 10. Watch a video, mimic the sign, practice in front of a mirror, maybe sign to a friend or family member. Consistency beats perfection. Currently, the barrier to start learning sign language has never been lower. With the right app and a bit of dedication, you can connect with a new community, show respect to those who sign, and build a skill that stands out. Whether you use it for connection, career, or personal growth, you'll find value in every minute you spend learning. Choose your app, open it today, commit to your first lesson, and treat it like your new language habit. One sign at a time, you'll build more than vocabulary, you'll build communication. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.